Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a setup we had this afternoon in the ES futures. This is our 30-minute chart. And you can see that this morning we actually broke to the downside on a shooting star and made a nice strong push to the downside. Hit significantly undervalued on our 30-minute chart. And we know that typically one of three things happen when we hit significantly undervalued on a 30-minute chart. We typically will either pull back, we will consolidate, or we will reverse. Most of the time we pull back and consolidate. So you can see we pushed down, hit significantly undervalued, pulled back, consolidated sideways, triggered another 30-minute bear flag, and made another leg lower. Hit significantly undervalued again. We were deep into significantly undervalued on the 240-minute chart, and instead of a pullback and consolidation, we got this reversal, a big reversal back the other way. We were trading that on the Unirenko chart, and you can see that we were in compression. We drew in our channel lines. We were pivoting inside this channel. We broke out to the downside at the same place that 30-minute bear flag was triggering. That 30-minute bear flag triggered at 33.8175, which is the exact low of our channel right here. We broke out to the downside and then made a nice push lower. If you missed the initial entry, you had a wick off the 18 with a Trender Pro 2.0 signal. Went into just a little bit of consolidation right here. We just hung with it. We're just trailing pivots, hung with it. If this ended up scaring you out right here, you had another slow line zero touch. Right here you can see that we painted a cyan line, which is indicating that the slow line on MQ momentum was making a zero touch reset, giving us plenty of room for momentum to accelerate our trade back to the downside in our direction. Our target was 33.60 and a quarter, so we were trading to the target. So again, just kind of depends on how you were managing your trade. If you took the 30-minute bear flag and the breakout, you would have been in somewhere in the neighborhood of 33.81 and a half. Our target was 33.60 and a quarter. You can see it hit that. Actually broke underneath it a little bit. So you had the potential, again, all depends on how you were managing your trade. You had the potential to grab around 21 ES points or about $1,100, 1,050 actually. If you didn't exactly take it at the target, still had the opportunity to lock in at least $1,000 on that 30-minute bear flag and the channel breakout. If you got scared out and you re-entered, or if you didn't get a chance to enter until the slow line zero touch, that would have put you in somewhere around 33.73 and a half-ish. So still, 13 points to the downside in the ES. So, another potential for $650 on that push per contract. Again, it just depends on how you're managing your trades and what you ultimately end up locking in. These are the profit potentials that we have. Nobody picks a bottom. However, we do trade to targets. If you're in the room with us, we trade to targets every day. So again, nice potential short trade on a channel breakout with 30-minute confirmation on the ES.